How to change name in Airasia Booking. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can modify your name in Airasia Booking process. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And don't forget you're going to be able to find airasia.com website links in the description of this tutorial. So once you are in the homepage of airasia.com, in the bottom right corner you're gonna find the chat. In this case is Bo, its name. You must to continue with your account, so by now I'm going to select my account here with Google, and now here I am in the chatting with Bo with my own account. So I recommend you to follow some steps, but I guess I'm gonna show you an easiest way to go into that, and it's name amendment. That's what we're looking for. So this is gonna tell you accidentally misspelled the name on your booking. I can help you correct it. Before we continue, please ensure that you have a valid document for the passenger's name that you want to amend. This could be a government issued ID, your passport, or identification card. Make sure you have it ready. So you must refer here for more detailed information. This is gonna open an article, sorry, in order to show you how this works. And if you have your documents ready, just click on yes and continue with the process. So please note that the chat can only amend one guest name at a time and a limited number of Roman alphabets. And also that if you want to amend your name, you need your booking number or PNR, which consists of 6 characters. And there is a hint, so you can find it in an easier way. It's under the booking number column on your itinerary. So you just have to type those 6 characters and continue with the process to make the name correction, the name amendment. And that's how it works. That's how you can change your name in AirAsia Booking. Thanks for watching.